A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, we need to explore and take a look on important matters. So, President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his administration are failing Zimbabwe. When we talk about failing Zimbabwe, he is failing to do reasonable steps to make sure that Zimbabwe is functioning. I'm going to put you through a lot of issues which are happening. Remember, one of the key things which we are always taught by President Mnangagwa's team, particularly Vanajoji Charamba, ndezvekuti we have to align with China, we have to align with Russia in terms of doing things. So they say China is a all-weather friend, a good partner. They say Russia is an all-weather friend and also a good partner. Today in this program, we are not going to deny that fact or that claim, but we need to take a look on the position of China, then on the position of Zimbabwe. If you take a look on Chinese people who are in Zimbabwe, they are using Starlink. That Chinese firm which was fined $700 United States, they were using Starlink. They even ditched their own Chinese internet, which is being supplied through an Eutelsat, and they opted for Starlink. Why? It's because Starlink comes with favorable terms. It's cheap, it's faster, it's efficient, and it's easy to install. It can move from point A to point B, which means when explorations are happening and there is need for internet, these mining companies can maximize their activities in terms of exploration, and it's more profitable and more cheaper for them. So let us take a look on this tweet from Peter Gift Mtasa. He said, according to Jamwanda, Zimbabwean government is waiting for a Chinese Starlink alternative. Meanwhile, the Chinese are not waiting for their own. Chinese deal with everyone, include Americans, to make money, while some Africans destroy their economies on behalf of China. If you go to America, Huawei was in America and operating from America. That is a fact. Huawei is one of the biggest companies in China. Chinese people took Huawei to America, doing business with America. If you take a look on America, it owes China a lot of money, which means China is actually giving America some money or lending America some money. These are financial relationships. But Zimbabweans will be telling you, let us not work with them. They will be discouraging you from working with those white people. Why? It's because avadi chakanaka. They don't even understand and know how to live in the global community. We need softwares from America. We have to maintain relations so that we get those softwares. We need to move our monies. We have to maintain a relationship so that we can move our monies. All those important issues. But ZANU-PF people say Aznabasa. Why? It's because as individuals, they are using these services, but they are denying you that opportunity to use such services. So this is a clear indication of sabotage. These people are sabotaging the economy of Zimbabwe willingly. Yes. That is the reason why you see kurukungocherwa makomba asina direction. Minerals being exploited. Who is benefiting from those deals? Elites are benefiting because pakangotanga kungocherwa gomba zvisina tsarukano, zvisina registration. What it means is the person who is doing that is going to benefit immensely. He's going to be rich. He's going to have money. But what about the community where the extraction is happening. Environmental impact is going to be ignored. The benefits which the society should get are going to be ignored. Infrastructure development ignored. Taxes, employment, all these issues, they're very pertinent and very important. So these people, they don't even care. They don't care about the economy. These are the number one saboteurs of the economy of Zimbabwe. Why? It's because they want you to remain poor, unconnected, useless, so that unotongeka. Munhu ane nzara anotongeka, hama dzangu, because tiri kutanga kumubatira pakuti ari kuda kudya, but munhu asina nzara haatongeke. That is the honest truth. You cannot control somebody who is not hungry, but it's easy to control somebody who is hungry, because you'll be supplying trinkets, small things. So we have to wise up and wake up as the people of Zimbabwe to say, this government cannot go beyond. Zvana 20, 30 people, these are jokes. They're joking. I can tell you, whether we'll be alive or not, I can tell you this, they are joking. Joshua Nkomo clearly indicated that Zimbabwe will not die, but the young people shall make that Zimbabwe works again. We are young. We are eager to make sure that Zimbabwe works again. We're not going to be deterred by anybody, by anything. It's because we have a conviction. That conviction is about equality. That conviction is about a robust Zimbabwe, which is moving ahead of time. It's about an equal Zimbabwe. It's about a functional Zimbabwe, a working Zimbabwe, where you don't have to go to diaspora for you to make money, where you don't have to be a thief for you to make money, where you don't need to be connected for you to make money. That is the reason why you go to church and you start to hear various teachings. Unotoda connection kuti uite mari. If you are not connected, that is rubbish. Why? It's because these people want to try and train your mindset to be dependent. But the moment we start to make the people of Zimbabwe independent, then you start to see good things happening for the country. This country is not going to collapse. It will never fall. The young people of Zimbabwe will make it work. So this is something which I made a decision to come so that we talk about it. It pains me, Kuti, we are being denied service, yes, Starlink. Yet Russia, an ally of Zimbabwe, it's using Starlink. Yes, ZANU-PF officials right now, they're using Starlink. But iwewe nini tistakanza tina basa. Why? It's because it's about themselves. It's not about the people of Zimbabwe. And in conclusion, President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his team, they are failing Zimbabwe. They're actually destroying Zimbabwe piece by piece. I hope and believe that one day God is going to sail us through.